Hey designers, in this tutorial we are going to create an adjustable text box in After Effects like this. So let's start by taking a new composition. Now take the type tool and write your text here. Welcome to Ace Designs. This is the text that I will write here. Let's align this text on the composition. Let's give it a white color instead. Okay, cool, now go to Effects and Presets, and here search for 2D text box. Drag and drop it onto the composition. Move this layer downwards. Let's give this box a good color. And remove the stroke from here. Okay, so now in the effects and controls of this box layer, change the layer from none to this one layer. Welcome to Ace Designs. Okay, increase the box size by increasing the padding overall value. I will give it a bit of roundness like this. Let's make it a bit bigger. Okay, good. Now, if you write something else here, the box will automatically become bigger while following the text. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and do comment on this video. For more videos and tutorials like this, subscribe to Ace Designs.